Hey there, and welcome to yet another video. Whether you are curious about what medical coding is, how it impacts patient care and billing, or you are considering a career in this growing field, you are in the right place. By the end of this video, you will understand the basics of medical coding, its importance in healthcare, and how it all works. So, let's get started. So, what actually happens in medical coding? Medical coding involves translating patient information such as diagnosis and treatment into standardized codes for documented billing purposes. The more accurately the documentations are converted into codes, the process of billing for healthcare services will be more accurate, and thus the healthcare management will become more efficient. So basically, as a medical coder, one is required to thoroughly examine patient records to extract relevant medical information and diagnosis for coding purposes. The extracted information is then translated into standardized codes such as ICD, CPT, and HCPCS codes. From what you have heard till now, you would have understood that the main players in medical coding are the providers or the doctors, the professional coders, the billing team, and the insurance companies. Such many parties are involved in the process of reimbursement of medical services. In medical coding, majorly there are three types of codes, among which the two more important ones are the ICD codes and the CPT codes. The ICD codes are used for the diagnosis part, and the CPT codes are used to denote services availed by the patients or provided by the physicians. Now, talking about the career options in medical coding field. So, there are plenty of opportunities in the RCM industry, that is the revenue cycle management industry. One with life science background can become a professional medical coder by clearing the CPC exam and can specialize into different specialties as per one's interest, like surgery coding, anesthesia coding, emergency coding, etc. etc. And one with the non-life science background can get into the billing industry. So at AIICR, we offer the students the best industry training and the study material which is the best in the sector, and also we provide the students with the mocks or the assessments to help them clear the CPC exam and initiate their careers as medical coder. For more queries, you can call at the numbers flashing at the bottom of the video. Thank you.